Teachers are losing it over this 86-inch smartboard? ViewSonic IFP8652-1C goes beast mode. Ever feel like your whiteboard hates you? You're scrambling to get your tech to work, wasting class time rebooting, replugging, and reconfiguring that dusty old smartboard from the last decade. Your lessons are fire in your head but fall flat in reality. Students tune out. You fumble with HDMI cords like you're defusing a bomb. Motivation? Shot. Focus? Scattered. Sound? Meh. All you want is a sleek, reliable system that doesn't make you feel like you're fighting your own gear every single day. This is your whiteboard intervention, and yeah, it's long overdue. Because let's be real, burnout doesn't hit you like a bus, it creeps in like a ninja. Missed deadlines, tech fails mid-lesson, and that sinking feeling when your interactive board acts like it's allergic to touching. Students disengage. You start winging it. Admins hover. You feel like you're drowning in chalk dust and janky software updates. And every time you reboot, you silently whisper "why me" under your breath. If you've ever wanted to set your classroom tech on fire, don't, this is the video you need. Trust us, we've been there. Enter the ViewSonic IFP8652-1C, aka the Godzilla of classroom displays. 86 inches of 4K Ultra HD, 33-point multi-touch, buttery-smooth interaction, built-in beamforming mic and front-facing soundbar, this bad boy doesn't play. It listens. It learns. It transforms your classroom into a digital dojo where engagement isn't optional, it's inevitable. Integrated MyViewBoard software? Check. USB-C with 65-watt power delivery? Check. Remote management for IT? Yes, sir. This thing doesn't just work, it makes everything else obsolete. Welcome to frictionless teaching. You're not just upgrading your screen, you're reclaiming your time, energy, and sanity. With the ViewBoard IFP8652-1C, lessons flow smoother, student eyes stay glued, and tech headaches vanish faster than dry erase markers on a Friday. It's like a classroom assistant that doesn't take lunch breaks. Plus, with cloud sync, annotation magic, and seamless casting from any device, your classroom becomes a productivity playground. Want to see it in action? Smash that play button and experience the ViewSonic revolution. Act now, don't get left behind in the tech stone age. This isn't just a whiteboard, it's a classroom command center trusted by thousands of teachers who ditched the drama and upgraded their entire workflow. Stock is moving fast, especially as schools revamp their tech. So stop suffering in silence. Click the link, join the Smartboard Elite, and give your students, and yourself, the upgrade you deserve. Your classroom glow-up starts now. Trust your gut, this is the one.